Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get notification whenever you charge your phone and your phone is got fully level of battery. So let's do that. To do that, you just need to open the shortcuts. Open your app library first, and then in the search button just type a shortcuts. And all automations that you want you can create by this application, which is the shortcuts. Just open it and you will see in the downside here there will be 3 sections. Go visit the middle one, which is the automation, and let's just go click or create the new automation by go click this plus button at the top right corner and go click create personal automations. And the next thing we need to do, go scrolling down until you found this battery level. When you found them, you just need to click it. And now you just need to set the level of the battery that you want to get notified later. So let's say here you want to get notification when the phone is fully charged and 100%. So go click next and go click this plus button to add an action. Go add the audio, and after that go scrolling down until you find the max spoken audio from the text. Just go click it. And the next thing you need to do is just go edit the text here. You can do anything you want. Let's say and after that you just need to go click next and turn off this as before running to make it automatically running. Confirm and just go click done. So that is the way how to get notification whenever your phone is fully charged. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe me to this channel, guys, and I'll see you for the next tutorial.